The C2 error code on a Rheem Tankless water heater indicates an issue with ventilation or gas supply. This problem can be caused by obstructed heater ventilation or a limited gas supply line. To resolve the issue, start by resetting the water heater. Switch it off. Press the power button for 5 seconds, and then turn it back on to see if the C2 error code is resolved. If not, clean the heater ventilation fan by switching off the heater, opening the cover, and locating the fan. Inspect the fan for dust buildup and gently clean it using a vacuum or other cleaning appliance. After cleaning, switch the heater back on to check if it works normally. Another potential solution is to inspect the gas supply line. If the hose is connected to a lynch hose, consider replacing it with a 3 or 4 inch hose, as the smaller diameter can be restrictive and prone to malfunction. If necessary, contact a professional for assistance with the replacement.